ano talaga namin, we're targeting talaga na once na pumasok ka talaga sa O1s, parang hindi ka nalalabas because lahat nandun na.
Nandun na lahat?
Because actually, community. Because O1s kasi nandun na yung resort, we have the farm, we have sports facilities. Now, it's blooming if you're with the pickleball. So it's community. We have the community na rin with the pickleball. We have also basketball, swimming. Then we have firing range also. Dun sa ano. So inaano namin talaga yung mga guests na pag pumasok ka sa O1s, hindi mo mararamdaman talaga na nasa city ka. Iba yung magiging pakiramdam mo pag nasa loob ka na ng O1s. Kasi nandun na lahat. You have the restaurant, you have the farm. Then Sir Glenn is offering also the farm tour sa loob ng ano namin. Then we have the sports nga. So, isa na talaga nandun. Then we have school dun sa side namin. Yes, actually, since we do na nga the sports facilities, we're enhancing also the wellness na dun din sa resort. So, right now, we're planning all the details pa for our we'll build spa and then ibang ano pa namang yoga, pilates, in the ano. Para talagang the gas namin is there's the agriculture. Pwede silang kumain from the farm to the restaurant. Tapos they can check in and then meron tayong mga wellness talaga. Not only the product from the farm, we have also the resort talaga.